കാലമോഷികൾ മേലേറി വിളയാടും ശ്രീ മഹാഗണപതിയേ ഗണപതിയേ തുംഗ 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 തത്തും കിട്ട കിട്ട തും തുംഗ 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 തത്തും കിട്ട കിട്ട തും തുംഗ.
Acknowledged as one of India's most creative classical dance exponents, Kanak Rele enjoys a unique position as the most accomplished exponent of Mohini Attam, the exquisitely graceful dance of Kerala. Kanak Rele, a highly respected guru and an internationally recognized research scholar. Kanak is the recipient of the Padma Shri Award in 1990. The President of India has also honored her with the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for 1994 as a pioneering dance educationist and one of the most outstanding Mohiniyattam exponents. Her mother Madhuri had seen great talent in Kanak.
सुश्री कनक रेले नृत्य के क्षेत्र में समग्र योगदान के लिए सम्मानित हुई, जिसके उपलक्ष्य में यह ताम्रपत्र प्रदान किया गया. जमशेद भाभा, अध्यक्ष.
Her parents belonged to a highly educated Gujarati family in Mumbai.
Kanak was born on 11th June 1937. As an infant, she loved rhythmic music. Ever since I remember, I have always wanted to dance. As a young child of 5, all that I always wanted to do is to dance. When I grew up, I was always a brilliant student. I had to keep pace with the academic achievements of the other children, and so I kept on getting first class.
Kanak excelled in both studies and her chosen art. From a young age, Kanak was encouraged to dance on stage, and her vibrant performances received wide acclaim.
When Kanak was 20 years old, she married such an understanding man like Yatindra Rele, who nurtured her talent and allowed her to bloom into something what she is today. After her marriage, both of us went to Manchester in England for further studies. I was doing research in international law at the Manchester University, where I passed with flying colors. Upon return to India, I decided that I wanted to become a professional dancer. Professional in the sense that whatever I did, whatever I performed, had to be of the highest quality. I had the greatest privilege of learning from one of the great gurus of Kathakali, Panchali Karunakar Panikar. My guru's enactment of Panchali's role was so very moving that he came to be recognized as Panchali Panikar. I was, I think, one of the very first women to master Kathakali and present it at professional level.
Fulfillment and joy came to young Kanak's life with the birth of her son Rahul. Kanak did her PhD in dance under the guidance of the great Indologist, late Dr. Moti Chandra, and later Professor S.A. Upadhyay.
I believe that no traditional Indian performing art can be studied or practiced in isolation. They are all interrelated. For instance, dance has to rely upon music, literature, and philosophy. Thus I decided that if future generation of students have to study
dance in its totality, then we will have to create an institution which imparts this sort of training, and thus I created Nalanda.
Established in 1973, Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, College of Classical Dancing, affiliated to the University of Mumbai. The college offers training in practical as well as the theoretical aspect of classical dancing.
The ancient tradition of classical dancing, Shastriya Nritya, can be learnt only through one method, and that is the Guru Shishya Parampara, that is the teacher-taught tradition. The Guru imparts his knowledge to the student. In ripeness of time, the student himself becomes a Guru and imparts it to the next generation. It is very clear that the different dance styles...
One of the pioneering
involve different
contributions and
geometrical
innovation
patterns
of
as the
Kanak
basis.
is her
These
theory
body
of body
movements in classical
kinetics,
dance
by which she
are
has
traditional
successfully created
and
a
are strictly
system
adhered
of dance
to.
notations.
They follow two paths,
This she
one
has
of
taught to her
evolution
students.
and the other of revolution. Bharatanatyam follows the path of evolution, whereas Mohiniyattam follows the path
These students
of
in turn have passed the bachelor's and master's degrees and now are teachers in their own right.
movement from the left side.
Thus, the Guru Shishya Parampara
And then
is being
slowly to the right
perpetuated.
side, to the center, and then we come back to the starting basic position. Okay? The same way you have to repeat. Once you move from right to left, then left to right coming back. Okay? Then you come. That completes your Mishra Jati, Atikrantachari. Okay? That's it. You have followed?
Kanak's major interest is choreographing new items, which she bases on deep research. She personally supervises music composition. But her greatest success has come through her superbly choreographed dance dramas, which have been presented nationally and internationally. The perfectionist that she is, each movement is created with great care. She teaches every single participant and expects perfection. Kanak herself designs the costumes. Every character's makeup, hairstyle and jewelry are selected by her. One of the very successful dance dramas is Shilapadikaram, which is based on the great Tamil epic of 4th century AD. In order to acquaint the non-Tamil audience with this literary masterpiece, she has presented it in Hindi. It tells the story of Kannagi, who is venerated as the goddess of chastity. Her husband Kovalan and his brief infatuation for the courtesan Madhavi. Sant Vani is in Marathi. It is based on the Abhangas of the saint poets of Maharashtra, woven around the Varkari Panth of veneration for Lord Vithoba of Pandharpur.
त्या देवाचं रूप कसं बाळ रूप कृष्णाचे पाहुनी अवघे गोकुळ नाचे
Sant Vani relates the episodes from the life of Lord Krishna in a delightful way.
घराघरामध्ये बाळ रूपाने येई अंश मानितो परमेशाचा आम्ही त्या बाळाही आम्ही त्या बाळाही आम्ही त्या बाळाही
In this Mohiniyattam choreographic adaptation, Kanak depicts the bhakti of the untouchable tribal woman Shabri for Lord Ram.
I think a happy and devoted family life is very important for any human being's well-being and progress. Today the greatest pleasure are my two grandchildren. After a hard day's work, coming home to these two innocent smiling faces is like tonic to my jaded nerves and tired body.
Grow big, I like to be a dancer like my grandmother.
Sai Baba of Shirdi has been the greatest steadying force in my life.
Kanak's life has been dedicated to the perpetuation of the eternal values of the Indian cultural ethos, as a wife, as a mother, and above all, as a totally committed dance person in the service of continued revival of traditional classical dance forms.
Nritya Geetabhinayanam Bhavatalayutam Bhavet.
Kanak has made a deep study of the ancient Sanskrit texts and is constantly engaged in writing books and articles on the dance traditions as focal reference point for young students and exponents. Kanak's greatest artistic love and passion are centered on Mohiniyattam.
I came under the magic spell of the exquisite lyricism of Mohiniyattam, which belongs to Kerala. In my quest to learn this beautiful art and master it, I had to go again and again to Kerala. I must pay tribute to the enlightened Vallatol family. Poet Vallatol was no more, but his eldest son, late Sri Balakrishna Kurup, almost adopted me and helped me in every possible way in my quest to find out the lost items of Mohiniyattam. But I'm very happy and proud to say that eventually I made Mohiniyattam my own.
Kanak's scholarly approach to Mohiniyattam has earned critical acclaim in Kerala as well. And she is invited to perform at all major dance and music festivals.
Dance Research Center प्रस्तुत करता है श्री रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की कृति चंडालिका पर आधारित नृत्य रूपक कल्याणी।
दही तुम्हारी बड़े चाव से खाएंगे, मच्छो 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 इसे, मच्छो 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 इसे, ये है अछूत, ये है अछूत, समझा रही हूँ मैं सचमुच, इसके स्पर्श से दही तुम्हारी।
कल्याणी एक अछूत कन्या है जो इस शोषण और जातीय भेद के विरुद्ध क्रांति का प्रतीक है। इसकी सहज और नवजात आकांक्षाएं गौरव के सपने बुनती है।
कन्या, दूर रहे कन्या, तू है कपूत, तू है अछूत।
उसकी माँ माया सर्वोत्तम जादूगरनी है, जो इस धरती माँ का प्रतीक है, जिसका प्रेम अपनी संतान के प्रति एक सीमाहीन अथाह सागर है।
राजभवन का घंटा बाजे डंग 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 डंग, कहता है वह उड़ा समय, तुम चलो समय के संग संग। माँ तेरा कोई न कार्य करूंगी।
ऐसी बातें मत कर तू, जा जाकर अब जल भर तू, जा जाकर अब जल भर तू।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
मुझे जल पिलाओगी?
कल्याणी माया की सुपुत्री है।
मेरी प्यास बुझो।
वो एक स्वतंत्र उड़ने वाले बौद्ध भिक्षु आनंद को बंदी बनाना चाहती है।
कौन है ये पुरुष? ओ माँ देख, वही है जो चल रहे हैं सबसे आगे।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
Kanak is also a very socially committed person.
તું જો આ બાજુ જા અને પછી આમ ફરીને આ બાજુ પાછો આવ, હા?
Kanak has evolved her own system of dance therapy and has worked very successfully with handicapped children.
When an unfortunate child learns dance movements, the discoordination of the damaged limbs and nerves is corrected to a certain extent. Shabash! And the child's self-confidence gets a tremendous boost.
Kanak's brilliant achievements have brought her the highest state and national awards. As one of the most respected gurus in the country today, Kanak is ever concerned with creating newer generation of dance exponents, researchers, analyzers, teachers and dance lovers. Kanak believes that dance training to be effective and result-oriented must start at about 6 years of age, and the training imparted gradually and at a relaxed pace, so that whatever the child learns has ample time to sink in the young psyche, take root and get assimilated in the system. She believes that the children should enjoy their dance and have fun.
I very seriously believe that the heritage, the priceless heritage of Indian traditional arts and Indian way of life are being very seriously threatened. And if we want to ensure that this priceless heritage of ours, which fate has given to us Indians, is not to be corrupted, not to be destroyed, then we'll have to do something very serious to uphold the purity of these arts and also ensure that they are continuously being rejuvenated. And this can be achieved only by conducting fundamental research in the arts and correlated subjects.
Kanak is constantly improvising to expand the frontiers of her idiom and coin newer phrases for body language.
The ultimate aim of any dance guru is to produce good and authentic exponents. After all, dancing is a performing art.
Kanak and her troupe of senior students, some of whom are distinguished young performers today, are constantly in demand at the major dance festivals throughout the country and abroad as well. Kanak was born to dance. Today the two names, Kanak Rele and Mohiniyattam have become synonymous. Born in Mumbai in a refined, culture-loving Gujarati family, married to an enlightened Maharashtrian, she has made Kerala her cultural home through her dedication to Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Kanak has truly lived the cultured life of an Indian to the fullest. And above all, she has enjoyed her dance.